Time check! Sawadee-ka tukon! Hello everyone, this is Teacher Odette, a day in my life as a fresh graduate from college and now as a public school teacher in Thailand. Get ready with me, let's go! Good morning, Sharia. Sadika, Sadika.
Thank you.
ตัวกันในกันยนพร
ได้
จู
เหรอ
ไทยกับ
พี่ติ๋วเขา
Si Maria, ang babaeng super ganda. Fox, saan ka dyan? Good morning, Sir Maria! Ano sabi mo?
normal na.
Normal na naman.
Paano na pag-normal? Pwede kong lagi na lang proctor.
True. Meow. 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 Where are you? Are you lost, baby girl? Wala eh. Make-up time! Bon appetit! Good morning! Ohayo gozaimasu! Morning! Ohayo! Sadika! Morning, teacher Om! Morning, teacher Om! And I'm done with my makeup. Good morning! Ming ka na ba? Bon appetit! Cheers! Bon appetit! Cheers! Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Alright, let's take attendance. Please sit properly. When I call your name, do not say here or present. Instead, I want you to say the name of your crush. Idol is okay. Idol, idol. Louder na, louder. Pudang-dang, pudang-dang. Okay, let's start. Nay. John Jukun. Jungkook, BTS. Tang-o. Omsin. Who's Omsin? Ah, yun. Nay Chundamat. I? Who's I? Oh. Yim. Haha. Aman? Arman? Namnan. Who's Namnan? Chayapon. Chayapon Namnan. Okay. Nurse. My. I. Gino. NCT. NCT. Ganya. Ha? Tawin. Who's Tawin? Number 8. Pokpong. Amsin. Mon. Tama pat. Namu. Bill. Pasakorn. Ploy. Ha? Jong'an. 17 boy band group. Okay. Bambang. Ha? Tana. Tanakorn. Tana. Tanakorn. Japan. Nay. Okay. Carrot. Okay. Carrot. Okay, of course. Min. Min is absent. Wisuta. Mind. Okay. Nay, Sukanya. Japan. Mio Pakamon. Volleyball player, right? Okay. Nay. Okay. Plan. Jean. Nachapon. Kim. Ha? Osada. Osada. Ready? Give me the score. Tonkla. 31. 21. Jeno. Ha? 55. Hall. 42. Sisip Song. Dirk. 66. Very good, Dirk. Best. 29. Namnan. Very good, Namnan. Tana. 21. Pukpong. 19. Dio. 28. Cow. Pirapat. 15. P. Chayamin. 11. T. Natapat. 31. Samsipet. Mac. 45. Mon. 51. Ney Kanukorn. 43. Tango. 27. Ney Chuntamat. 49. Yim. 46. Nurse. 26. I. 61. Very good. Ganya. 31. Omsin. Araya. 39. Namo. 42. Ploy. 42. Bambang. 56. Japan. 45. Pia Porn. 34. Carrot. 18. Mean. 29. Mind. 29. Nơi, suka niya. 22. Meal, pakamon. 44. 40. Playing. 55. Kim. 25. Kai. 23. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. All right, please sit properly. Listen to me carefully and closely. Our topic for today is all about riddles. Who has an idea about riddles? Who has an idea about riddles? Huh? Anyone from the class? What is riddle or riddles? What is riddle? Yes. No one? Okay, let's proceed to our topic. Topic is okay, riddle. Anyone from the class? A riddle or riddles is a question or statement intentionally phrased to require ingenuity in ascertaining its answer or meaning, typically presented as a game. It's a mystifying, misleading, or puzzling question posed as a problem to be solved or guessed, like conundrum or enigma, something or someone difficult to understand. Conundrum means a confusing and difficult problem or question, while enigma is like a person or thing that is mysterious or puzzling or difficult to understand. That's the two types of riddles. It's conundrum and enigma. Question number 1. What must be broken before you can use it? What must be broken before you can use it? Huh? Jigsaw? No. What else? Alay. Huh? Very good. Egg. The answer is egg. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? Human? No. What else? What else? Alay. Body? No. What else? What's this? Very good. It's candle. What is full of holes but still holds water? Very good, very good. It's sponge. Sponge. What is always in front of you but can't be seen? Wither. What else? What else? Alay. Eye. What else? Face. Hold. Very good. It's the future. What can you break even if you never pick it up or touch it? Huh? Alright. Grass. What else? What else? What is this? What is that? Very good. It's a promise. Sanya. I'm light as a feather, yet the strongest person can't hold me for 5 minutes. What am I? Height? No. Very good. It's breathe. Your breathe. What gets bigger when more is taken away? Body, no. Huh? Very good. It's a hole. Next, what is black when it's clean and white when it's dirty? Pencil? No. Eraser? Very good. It's blackboard. What has many keys but can't open a single lock? Huh? Keyboard? No. What else? Safe? No. Piano. I follow you all the time and copy your every move, but you can touch me or catch me. What am I? Very good. Very good. It's shadow. Your shadow. What invention lets you look right through a wall? Mirror. What else? Glass. What else? Very good. It's window. 3 eyes of eye all in a row. When the red one opens, all freeze like the snow. Very good. It's traffic light. What gets wetter and wetter the more it dries? Towel. If you speak its name, you break it. What is it? Glass. What else? What else? Silence. I have a tail and I have a head, but I have no body. I am not a snake. What am I? Fish? No. Snake? No. Very good. A coin or penny. What word begins with a T, ends with a T, and has a T in it? Cartoon? No. Teapot. The more there is, the less you see. What is it? Money? No. No. Tree? No. Jungle? No. Black? No. Very good. It's darkness. CH by side, you are inside. CH by side, you are inside. What building has the most stories in the world? Very good. It's library. What can fill a room but doesn't take up space? One time? What's that? Furniture? No. Very good. It's light. What can run but never walks, has a mouth but never talks, has a head but never weeps, has a bed but never sleeps? Car? No. Okay, very good. It's river. The man who built it doesn't want it. The man who bought it doesn't want it. The man who's using it doesn't know he's using it. What is it? Woman? No. Shirt? No. Telephone? No. Very good. It's coffin. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What are they? No. Huh? Dirt? No. Sand? No. Beach? No. Sea? No. Very good. It's footsteps or footprints. Tawalin pa sa Thai, footprint. Ha? Loy tao? I am always hungry and never stop eating, but water will kill me. What am I? Car? No. Tree? No. Vehicle? No. Okay, fire. The healthier you are, the bigger I get. The bigger I get, the more I'm hated. What am I? Huh? Skin, no. What is that? Face, no. Older, no. Huh? Very good. Age. Are you... What has one eye but can't see? Goat? No. It's a sewing needle. What appears once in a minute, twice in a moment, but never in 1,000 years? It's the... Huh? The answer is the letter M. Once right, once in minute. Twice, 2M. But when we add what can you catch but can't throw? Baby, no. Money, no. Car, no. Dumbbell, no. Water, no. Sick, no. A cold. Like you have a cold. I can go all around the world but never leave my corner. What am I? What is this? Okay, a stamp. If you drop me, I crack. If you smile at me, I smile back. What am I? Very good. It's mirror. I am for protection. Put me on an erection. What am I? Dumbbell? No. What is this? It's a condom. I get bigger and larger if you blow at me. Huh? Very good. It's balloon. A balloon. What has a neck but doesn't have a head? Huh? Again. Giraffe? No. What is this? Okay, a bottle. It belongs to you, but other people use it more than you do. What is it? Money, no? Huh? Very good. It's your name. What has cities but no houses? Forest but no trees, and water but no fish? Dirt, no? Okay, a map. Very good. What kind of lion never roars? Lion, no? Okay, very good. Dandelion. What do you call a bear with no teeth? Again. Very good. It's gummy bear. I don't cry when you cut me, but you do. What am I? No? Teacher, very good. It's onion. What has branches but doesn't have a trunk, leaves, or fruit? Okay, a bank. I can't talk, but I always reply when someone speaks. What am I? Police, no? Huh? GPT, no? Huh? Very good. It's an echo. What two things can you never eat before breakfast? Snake, no? Dinner and very good. Lunch and dinner. Breakfast, lunch, dinner. What is orange, wears a green hat, and sounds like a parrot? Huh? Orange, no? Okay, a carrot. What has hands but can't clap? Monkey, no? Food, no? Huh? Draw, no? Okay, a clock. I jump when I walk and sit when I stand. What am I? Rabbit, no? Okay, a kangaroo. I have many teeth, but I can't bite. What am I? It's a comb. But where does today come before yesterday? What is this? It's the dictionary. What has many rings but no fingers? Okay, a phone or telephone. Because if you have me, you want to share me. If you share me, you haven't kept me. What am I? Money, no? Tree, no? What is this? Gossip, no? What is that? Very good. It's a secret. What goes up and down but doesn't move? Moon, no? A staircase. How do you spell cow with 13 letters? C-O-W. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13. Oh my God. David's parents have 3 sons, Snap, Crackle, and what? Huh? Very good. The answer is David. I am an odd number. Take away the letter S and I become even. What am I? 7. I have 4 fingers and a thumb, but I'm not alive. What am I? A glove. What kind of room has no doors, walls, or windows? Okay, mushroom. 4 people have it. Rich people need it. If you eat it, you die. What is that? Nothing. Maybe. I sometimes run, but I can't walk. What am I? A nose. I have a head, but I have no brain. What am I? A lettuce. I have case, but open no locks. I have space, but no room. You can enter, but you can't go outside. What am I? Very good. It's keyboard. What has a neck, but no head, 2 arms, but no hands? Chicken. Chicken, no. Okay, very good. Shirt. What comes down, but never goes up? Very good. It's rain. For next week activity, you are going to search in internet or Google about some riddles. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good morning, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Bon appetit. Cheers. 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 Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Everybody stand up, please. Good afternoon, class. Please sit down. You're welcome. Everybody stand up, please. Goodbye and thank you, class. Goodbye, Teacher Namtan. Goodbye, Teacher Tamu. Sayonara. Matane. Okay, thank you so much, Doc.
You chew when the food is too big.
Yeah. Oh my God, it's really hard for me to chew the food. Like, I need to right here. And I cannot close my teeth because of the blue one. Thank you. So, nandito ako ngayon sa clinic namin kasi, sa clinic ko, sa braces ko kasi kailangan kong magpaano ba, na putol kasi yung wire. Tapos, ano ba, pagkain ko ng mango, sabi ko kay Doctor, Doc, na ano yung wire, natanggal kasi sa pagkain ko ng mangga. Tapos sabi niya, okay, walang problema. Tapos yun, inano niya, Phoenix lang niya, buti na walang bayad dahil free lang. Buti na lang talaga at free. Hi. So, tapos sobrang bait talaga ng dentista ko, as in, sobrang bait.